Do you worry that the natural occurrence of these chemical compounds will get bastardized when they're put into tabletized forms and put into real medications versus, okay, let's go split open some poppy and harvest some opium, because opium is a completely different drug than fentanyl. Completely could not be more different.
No, I'm not. I'm all for medicalization of these molecules. We want to make these molecules available and safe for patients.
Yeah,
That's what
absolutely.
we're about. And people who have suffered their whole life with depression, who can have a way out, to have a normal life, to want to live, to have people who suffer from with anxiety, it just gets worse and worse, instead of having to take another Xanax or another benzodiazepine, to have a way out of their intractable anxiety, to be able to heal the brain after a stroke or brain trauma, to treat our veterans who suffer from PTSD, and yes, to get a real solution to the opioid epidemic in our country. This is what we need: medication development, working with the regulators in the US at the FDA, and with the Europeans and the UK with MHRA, Health Canada. We can do this. And finally, we have companies putting dollars, strategic dollars, because drug development is very expensive. But if I have a loved one, a parent who suffers from alcoholism, I want my loved one to be able to go to the doctor and get a dose, a molecule, to help deal with their alcoholism. If I've got a loved one who needs to be detoxed, I want him or her to have the ability to take a safe ibogaine dose under full medical monitor.